I can turn a flat scanned document into a searchable, editable PDF with Foxit PDF Editor's OCR tools. This legacy vendor register is only an image, so I can't search, copy, or edit its text yet. I'll confirm that by trying to select a sentence. The page behaves like one flat image. I'll go to Convert, choose Recognize Text Current File, and process the current file with custom OCR settings. Output settings offer Searchable Image Text with Suspect Review or Editable Text. I need both, first to verify recognition, then to edit. Next, I'll select All Pages, making sure the language is set to English. Keep the current image resolution, enable Suspect Word Review, and run OCR. When recognition finishes, Foxit flags words it's unsure about, so I know exactly where to review. I'll compare each suspect with the scan, correct any errors, and preserve this reviewed searchable copy. The first pass creates searchable text while preserving the scan for review. For editable text, I'll reopen the original and rerun OCR. The final copy is searchable and editable, while the original scan and reviewed searchable version remain unchanged. I'll update the footer text. This workflow helps legal, healthcare, and education teams turn scanned case files, forms, and school records into useful digital documents. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try Recognize Text. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.